Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to submit the new tax form for your YouTube AdSense account. Now, fair warning, I actually made a small mistake the first time I did this, and it got my form rejected. I'll point out exactly what I did wrong during the tutorial so you can avoid the same headache. If you find this guide helpful, please support the channel by hitting that like button and subscribing for more content. Alright, let's get into it. As you can see on my screen, I have this message saying, if I don't submit a new tax form before December 31st, 2025, Google could withhold up to 30% of my earnings or even hold my payouts completely. To fix this, all you need to do is click Submit New Form and follow the steps very carefully. In this interface, you can see my account was originally approved back in September 2022, but now I need to renew it. So, I'll click Submit New Form again. Here, choose Start New Form, then Start Form. Here, it'll ask for your account password. Enter your password, then click Next. Once you enter that, you'll see this process interface. So this is the US Tax Info's interface. For your account type, select Individual and then click Next. It will ask, are you a citizen or resident of the US? If you're not, just click No and then Next. Now choose W8BEN as your tax form type and click Start the form. Wait some seconds and this brings us to the Tax Identity section. Here are a couple of really important tips. First, write your name exactly as it appears on your Google AdSense account. If you get it wrong or use a different language, it won't be accepted, and they'll ask you for identity documents. Next, select your country here. Just scroll down and search for it. Now, for the TIN, that's your tax identification number. The form says it's optional, but trust me, you need to enter it. If you leave it blank, you won't be able to move forward, and they'll just ask for it later. If you don't know your TIN, you can check old tax notices, pay stubs, or just contact your local tax authority. They can give it to you. Once you've entered your TIN, click Next. Now, here's the address section. You'll want to verify this option, select your country again, and then enter your address details. Okay, this is where I messed up and got rejected. The address in my Google AdSense account was in Arabic, but I entered it in English here because the form only accepts English characters. Because the two addresses didn't match, my form was denied. The solution is simple. You need to go back to your main AdSense account settings and change your address there to English first. Then, come back here and enter that same English address. That should solve it. After you've entered your address correctly, click this box and then hit Next. On the next screen, scroll down a little and select Yes, I am eligible for a reduced withholding rate. Then choose Resident of the following and pick your country. After that, just check this box and select the same options I am. Follow along with what I'm doing. Before clicking Next, make sure to check this verification box. Click Next, scroll down, and for this question, select No if you haven't performed any services for Google within the US. Then click I certify and Next. On this screen, just leave everything as it is. Don't change anything. Click through to the next step. Here, you can download your tax form as a PDF for your records. I'm going to skip that since everything looks good. Click I confirm that, and then Next. Almost there. On this final step, click right here under Penalties of Perjury and then click I certify. Now choose the year. I'm putting the current year, 2025. Under that, put today's date. For me, it's October 18th, 2025. Scroll down, select Yes, I'm the beneficial owner, and hit Submit. If you did everything right, just wait a few seconds and it should be accepted. In my case here, it's not accepted because of that wrong address issue I mentioned. But when I went back, changed my AdSense address to English, and redid the process with the correct info, it went through immediately, just like you see in this screenshot. So that's it. The key is just to be super careful when you're filling in the blanks, especially making sure your name and address match your AdSense account exactly. Alright, I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to support us by liking this video and subscribing to the channel so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.